And what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another SOPHIE Shaves unboxing video, guys. We're going to be doing an unboxing with a couple packages, and these are special packages, all right? Some of them are for the 500 subs giveaway, guys. Jeremy, the Shave Dad, all right, the guy that's really backed the channel, sent me a lot of things that we've used on channel. He sent us a brush to give away that he turned, guys. It's in this package behind me. I have not seen it, and I'm so excited to see what we're going to be doing as a giveaway. Guys, this company is Mountain Hair Shave Company, and I'm going to put a link down below. He finally has an Etsy. Guys, the prices are phenomenal. Going to blow your mind with the quality of work he does, the price he does, guys. I'm so excited, and I'm thrilled that he's going to be donating, guys. He's donating a brush for a lucky sub, guys. And that's not the only thing, and I'm going to go through some of the things we're going to be giving away on this video, guys. We got Sophie on the floor with me, and I'm sure as soon as the box comes out, we're going to have lots of interruption, but that's kind of the fun, right? I wanted you guys to have SOPHIE San as part of the video. Yes! All right, you guys ready? Who is stoked for an unboxing? All right, let's get to it. First and foremost, I've collected this, guys, for the last couple, probably about a month. I've got the Dance of Argumes. I think is how you pronounce it, Argumes. This is a Holy Caw scent that was given to me by the Shave Dad as a part of the giveaway. So he wanted to give away a shave soap and splash, guys. This is Dance of the Argumes. Yes, Sophie likes it. It's a really nice scent. It's a scent that is a special edition. It's not available all the time. It was lathered in, guys, so you're aware. But it's really strong. It's just a really, really beautiful, I get a little bit of floral to it. It kind of reminds me of like a barbershop, maybe, a little bit. Yeah, she's like, I don't think so. It's strong, guys, but it's a nice scent. So that's going to be part of the giveaway, guys. And if you're not wanting to be, if you're adverse to lathered in soaps, this may not be for you. Just let me know if you're going to be part of that giveaway. And then, guys, I've also set aside, I'm going to do 2 razor packages. I'm going to give away 2 Valet VC1s because they kind of, I don't know, they fit me. They're like the oddball razor, and I loved doing the showcase on the razors, right? And these were 2 that I really enjoyed kind of manipulating and hacking and really bringing some more public light to. So these are 2 Valet Auto Strop razors that I'll set aside for lucky winners, guys. And then I've also got, this is a flare tip, and it is, I want to double check here, it is an F3 flare tip, and I've got a super speed, guys, and this is, I think, it is a Y4 super speed. So what I'm going to do is one package will have a Valet VC1 and the flare tip, and the other will have the super speed and the VC1. I wanted to do something that I thought were fun razors, but still, I mean, maybe you guys don't have them, and they're both vintage. So I think that's kind of fun, and there's stuff that I've acquired that I really think other people would enjoy and I have duplicates of. So I thought I'd share. Okay, guys, we're getting into what my wife purchased. Okay, so this is not part of the giveaway, but my wife bought me a surprise, and she was really excited because this is a company, guys. This is from Alien Shaves, and she was like, there's not enough attention that gets brought to that name. Alien Shaves, guys, it is a company that's kind of smaller, but they produce their shave soaps are like really heavy glycerin, kind of like a Colonel Conk product. But why my wife uses them, guys, is they are a brushless lather bar. They're a brushless bar that creates like a really strong cream that's slick. I've used it; it works really good. I still prefer a brush, but at the same time, guys, when I've brush lathered with it, it was really nice. And you want to smell? Should we open? You think? What did Shell get, huh? What did Mom get? Should we look? Okay, we're looking right now. Come here. I know you're not a Eric, you mess. I am aware. Well, that was mean. They put a bunch of little fillings in there, and she can't get to it. All right, I'm moving it. You seeing this? You guys seeing this? What did she get, huh? Guys, so check this out. These are the bars, and they look kind of like a soap puck. Take a look. They look kind of like a soap puck, and the reason why she ordered this, guys, is she completely went through. This is orange. This is their, I can't remember what it's called, their blood orange. And it's just a really nice, light blood, like orange smell. It just smells like orange. You like that? You smell that? You don't lick it? No, don't do that. But it's really nice if you're a person that likes to like shower shave and you don't want to get your brush in the shower every single time. This works really good. It's just like you lather it right on, use your other hand, and it actually produces a pretty good lather. I actually was surprised. This is their other one, and my wife really likes it. And Rex, guys, one of the subs here, he's one of the people that really pointed me towards the product. His wife uses it. So it's another, like, this is their Solar Mint. And yeah, I really like these little bars, and they last a long time. I think my wife it's like 4 months of daily shaving with these. So they do last a while. Yeah, you love that. Really cool product. And one that you don't hear a lot about, these brushless lather bars, soaps. I don't know what you'd call this, but it's like it's a brushless cream soap. It's really cool. I really like this product. Again, it is by Alien Shaves, guys. Alien Shave. Really interesting product. If you're a person that doesn't like to, get your brush out every single time, it works really well, and it's different than a cream, right? It's definitely different than a cream. All right, guys. The moment we've all been waiting for. You've heard me rant and talk and showcase some of the stuff for the 500. Let's get into it. Let's crack it open. Let's see what the Shave Dad is giving away today as part of with the channel, guys. Man, what a cool opportunity again. To Jeremy, to the Shave Dad, to Mountain Hair Shaving. Man, thank you so much for supporting the channel and for backing the concepts, the ideas, and the out-of-the-box shaves, man. This is so cool. Guys, whoever gets this, I'm actually really jealous. Man, I have 4 of Jeremy's brushes, and I love every single one of them. And right now, I just want to keep buying more. I go on his Etsy page, and I'm like, yep, I'm going to be getting this one and this one. You see this? What do you think? What do you think? Huh? Are we gonna see? Are we gonna see? Oh, you think? Come on. Oh, you think? Is that... Guys, Sophie's so happy to be on channel again. She was feeling left out. I know you were feeling left out. I'm aware. All right, here we go, guys. So we got the Alien Shaves for me. And, oh, Jerm, what did you do, dude? Should we take it? I'm just going to take a look. Guys, I'm going to ship this when we get to the 500, we do the giveaway. I will ship it in the packaging that Jeremy sent. And I think the grand prize, guys, will be the Mountain Hair Shaving Brush. Again, look at how cool. Sophie loves it, just so you guys are aware. She thinks it's awesome. Yeah, I'm aware. I know it's exciting. We're going to open it. We're going to open it. I'm going to show you. Don't worry. I think what we're going to do, guys, is we'll do the soap, the splash, and the brush as the major giveaway. Either that or we'll do 2 grand giveaways, right? We'll do the soap splash and a brush on the other. I think that's probably better. And then we'll do 2 other small. So we'll do 4 total giveaways. I think is kind of what I'm conceptualizing here. I wanted to do 5. But I can't quite get 5 to work and make sense. I think it's going to be 4, guys. We'll do 2 little mini packages that'll have some little soap samples and some blade samples. Just little like starter kits. And then we'll do 2 grand prizes on the side of that. All right, let's open this up and take a look. And I like these tubes that Jeremy uses, guys. They're really nice for traveling. And they also really protect the brush. I mean, they're in there, guys. All right. Yeah. Oh my goodness. What? No, we can't give this away. Guys, absolutely not. SOOBie Shaves needs this. Oh man, it is a crazy brush, guys. It's got blue, it's got orange, it's got purple. I love the purple gradients to this brush. Really beautiful. And why I love Jeremy's brushes are these knots are so soft and yet so dense. I can just feel that. It's whoever gets this. Oh, jealousy, guys. Look at the resin hybrid going on here, guys. Look at this resin hybrid. And I love how he stopped doing a super deep lather groove right here. That's what I call it, like the lather line of death that just absorbs all my lather and I have to scrub it out. He's changed it. The shape is fire, guys. Whoever gets this, it's very comfortable. And honestly, there's not a single high point on this brush. Not a single high point anywhere. And anybody that knows about anything about hybrids, guys, sometimes you'll get like 1 or 2 little edges from the wood. There's none. Jeremy really prides himself in producing a beautiful knot. And he is giving this away as part of, you know, just a way to back my channel. And I just, again, cannot tell you how much I appreciate him and how jealous I am of the people and person that gets this, guys. Again, for the 500, guys. For the 500, we've got the Dance of the Aramis Special Edition Holy Caw Shave Soap, guys. We've got 2 different razor sets, right? We're going to do 2 different little small razor packages. That's just my way of saying thank you to you guys. Just my way. And this beautiful, just hybrid resin. And look at the little coin, guys. Isn't that cool? Look at the little coin. I think this is rad. It's got that HARE on it, right? It's an Irish HARE. And it's an actual Ireland coin. Wow, I really, again, did I say I was jealous? Absolutely incredible brush, Jeremy. Absolutely incredible. You know what? If we don't get to 500, that's fine with me. I'll just keep it. That's fine with me. Guys, thank you so much for joining me for a really quick mountain shave drop and opening and a little bit of alien shave, guys. I'm really excited. I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye, guys!